Alameda Gooseneck's gorgeous tiny house harmonizes functionality and luxury. The French craftsman has brought to life a magnificent single-level house on wheels, an eclectic pony breeder. The house is just over 7 meters long. Apart from the bathroom, which is hidden behind sliding doors, all the main living areas are part of one open concept space with no partial walls or panels to create separation. The unobstructed line of sight from one end of the house to the other makes the interior feel bigger and wider. It's also a good way to take advantage of all the night light coming through the windows. Being compact, this rural dwelling is not cramped or dark at all. The owners obviously planned to spend most of their time outside enjoying nature, so there was no need for a large classic living room inside. Another modern touch is the clever design of the open-plan bedroom. Two large windows effectively blur the boundary between indoors and outdoors, creating a magical sense of immersion. It reminds us of the trendy glamping tiny houses in exotic locations that are so popular today. The cozy bed also provides ample storage in the form of generous built-in drawers. The lack of attic bedrooms and no stairs or ladders for access makes things easier in terms of comfort and safety for the owners, and further opens up the interior. Also notice the full-height cabinets on the sides of the bathroom. Light-colored wood trim adds to the charm of this tiny home. Despite the fact that it doesn't need a sophisticated living room, the tiny house contains a charming vintage setting with rattan chairs and a wood stove. It's a nice little oasis for relaxing and enjoying the view, and creates a seamless transition from the more intimate bedroom to the social cooking and dining area without creating separation or impeding smooth flow. As for the kitchen, the same open and light effect was achieved by eliminating bulky upper cabinets in favor of rustic shelving and sophisticated open cabinetry. The house was built in a workshop in Louvajac, near Lourdes. The construction company was founded by the two brothers almost a decade ago, and it was the first to build American-style tiny houses in southwest France.